how to log into your N26 account after forgetting your password. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that N26 is installed on your phone. You can get it through your App Store or Play Store. Then simply open the application. Then in here, all you need to do is tap on I already have an account. So after doing that, all you need to do is add in your email address, then password, then tap on login in order to log into your account, right? So in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can simply tap on the option forgot right here under the password box. Then you'll need to add in your email address, then tap on reset password. After doing that, you will actually be getting a 6-digit code on your email, or you can even get a recovery link on your email. So all you need to do is open that email inbox, and in there tap in the exact mail sent by N26, then open it, and in there if you see a code, add in the code right here, or if you see a link, you can simply tap on link and go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset your password. So after doing that, you will be able to create a new password, then add in your new password one more time in order to confirm it, and then you can reset your password. Then you can simply come back to your login page right here and add in your new password and your email address, then tap on login, and like that you'll be able to log into your N26 account after forgetting your password. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.